One of the factors that affect bone health is definitely age. As people grow older, among the other complications, one of the first and foremost things that they notice is weaker bone strength. So it becomes increasingly important to start including various nutrients in the diet, especially those that help in strengthening the bones. As part of a healthy and balanced diet, people should include everything that the body needs for strong bones, mainly calcium and vitamin D. While calcium helps in the development of bone and teeth structure, vitamin D helps the body in the absorption of calcium. So friends, in today's video, here's a list of fruits and vegetables that are high in these nutrients and should be included in the regular diet irrespective of age. The green leafy vegetable has loads of calcium and help in the bone and teeth development. A cup of cooked spinach can provide the body with almost 25% of its daily calcium requirement. The fiber-rich leaves also contain vitamin A and iron in abundance. While this fruit is a favorite among many people, freshly squeezed orange juice can provide the body with both calcium and vitamin D, thereby contributing to bone strength. Regular consumption of orange juice can also prevent many harmful diseases. Bananas, beside helping the body in digestion, are also a great source of magnesium. The nutrient plays an integral role in bone and teeth structure development, so a banana a day keeps the weak bones away. Pineapple does not provide vitamin D and calcium directly to the body. Instead, it is also a source of potassium that neutralizes acid load in the body and prevents calcium loss. It is also a good source of vitamin A. The strawberries come with a whole lot of health benefits. They are packed with nutrients such as calcium, manganese, potassium, vitamin K and vitamin Z, which helps in the formation of bone structure. This tropical fruit contains a huge amount of calcium. It is said that in a serving of 100 grams papaya, you can find 20 mg of calcium. Make it a part of your regular diet and experience the wonderful benefits. Be it the fruit or the juice, the kiwis contain the most amount of calcium, almost 60 mg. It helps in developing bone strength, the teeth structure and also helps in the formation of new cells. In case you are wondering how to keep your bones strong, start including these fruits and vegetables in your regular diet. Besides being a contributor to your bone development, they are also a treat for the taste buds.